Hello. Welcome everyone to the very first video of our YouTube channel, The Root Experts. I hope the journey with the channel will be really amazing. There are two people behind this, there are two brains behind this entire idea, and we are looking forward for a really good interactive series with all of you and with a really great support. For this particular video that we're going to have, we'll set the agenda beforehand only. We'll be discussing about what exactly we are going to offer through our YouTube channel in our first course. So before starting anything, one thing is there. Our entire YouTube channel is focused on developing your expertise in technical tools like Excel, Power BI, Power Pivot, Power Query, Alteryx, Python, basic data analytics tool which are really relevant in today's industry. And we emphasize the most on the basics. That's why we have the tagline as mastering the basics and growing your expertise. So this particular video is about the course plan that we are going to have, and the entire course on Excel is really long. We are going to create a lot of lectures. This is going to be a one-stop solution for you where you can focus on your basics, your intermediate needs, as well as your advanced needs. And we are going to create three series, that is three playlists. First playlist will be focused on the basic data analytics using Excel. Second one will be intermediate level. Third one will be advanced level. And apart from this, there will be several topics that we will be covering in our unique data analytics tools using Excel. We'll be creating a new playlist which will be specifically focusing on charts, that is visualization using Excel. And then we'll be moving forward with lectures on Power BI, Power Pivot, Power Query, as well as Python, all focus on data analytics. So we'll move ahead and we'll see what is this beginner course on talking about. If you'll see, before working on everything, uh, me and a founder, me and a co-founder, we have been working on this idea for the last 1 or 2 years now. We have been in the teaching industry for a very long time, and we have trained more than 1,000 individuals on this particular domain as well. We have consulted a lot of people who are into the industry as well, and we never took any penny out of this entire thing. We always want to do as a community service because we love to do this, and that's why we have this motto: with every 100 subscribers that we are going to get in our platform, we are going to offer, or we are going to collaborate with an NGO, and we are going to offer our courses for free for one student per every 100 subscriber that we are going to gain. Right. So that is our entire motto, to make learning available for every single individual. As we'll move forward, you can see the table of contents. We have divided this entire series into 6 chapters, and each chapter is having a lot of subtopics. So our first chapter is Excel interface and navigation. This is something which most of the people actually forget about. They just skim through it, but it's very necessary in terms of all the people who actually want to come to us and they want to learn. It is important for everyone, even if they are really on advanced level. Maybe you are not efficient enough, so this particular chapter will make you efficient in Excel. We have these video lectures coming up, and these are the subtopics. And then we have data entry techniques. How do we do all of this data entry? And then we have 2 videos related to that. Then we have the basic formatting to be done. These are the topics that we'll be covering, and we'll be going on conditional formatting and advanced number formatting. And then we'll be introducing formulas and function. We'll not be working with only data sets. After this, we'll be creating our own data using formulas and functions that we can find, and we'll be using very small basic functions, and we'll see how the functions are connected to each other across the worksheets or across the workbooks, right? So we'll be working on that. Fifth chapter will be self-referencing basics. We will be working on something known as anchoring. We will be working on naming the data sets. We'll be working on creating dynamic ranges. So whenever we change something, we have the name of the particular data set changed. And you can see we have 9th and 10th video in this particular chapter. And the last chapter is working with worksheets, where we'll be actually working with different subtopics together. We will be, this is one of the topic which is, we'll be really focused on, and we'll be actually using a lot of concepts from the previous chapters together in this chapter number 6, so that you can have a better understanding of how exactly all of these uh, topics and subtopics are related, and what exactly is to be done. Uh, and seventh chapter will be focused on basic visualization. We will be creating our basic charts in Excel. We are not going to be very advanced. Now, this particular chapter is not mentioned. If you'll go here, okay, it is a simple data visualization is mentioned here, but the thing is, this particular chapter 7 is unique in terms of it is available for each and every series. So for our basic series also, data visualization is present. For our intermediate series, this particular chapter is available. We will be advancing on each level, right? And finally, we will be creating a separate series altogether, which will be just and just focused on visualizations. It is really important for any data analytics to have a very good hand over this particular topic, and that's why we want to work on this. So that would be it for our first lecture, the first course plan. You can see we have 7 chapters, and further, these are the topics that we discussed. So looking forward for more engaging content that we are going to upload on this channel. We'll start with the first chapter itself, and we'll have a number coding which you can see. I hope you will like the entire journey, and I hope that you will subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends, and like the videos. If you have any feedback, you can always write to us on our mail ID that you can find on our YouTube channel. Plus, you can also comment on our YouTube videos that you can see. Description will be provided if there is any data sets that you require for the entire video, right? So that is one thing. Thank you for joining me, guys.